Hi there, students. Unflappable, an adjective. Unflappably, the adverb. And you can actually have the opposite as well. Flappable and flappably. Okay, if somebody is unflappable, they remain calm when things are difficult. When the shit hits the fan, excuse my language, things are they are relaxed. They don't become worried. They don't become flustered. Yeah, they don't become easily irritated. Okay, so this is unflappable. Somebody who's always calm when they're experiencing difficulties, or also when they're experiencing success. So this is somebody who's not easily upset, not easily excited. They're cool, calm, collected, composed, level-headed. They're unfazed. They're unruffled. Yeah. They're not nervous, excitable, and twitchy and volatile. Yeah, they're not flappable. Somebody who's flappable is somebody who it's easy to make them nervous. Yeah, so he's totally unflappable. He's a good person to be working with in a high pressure environment. He's imperturbable. Yeah, he's unflappably calm. He behaved so unflappably in the crisis that it made it easy to resolve the problem, even though everything was totally chaotic. Yeah, he's unflappable under pressure, and that gives the other members of his team confidence. Yeah, he's just imperturbable, calm, composed. Yeah. Wouldn't it be wonderful to be unflappable in all situations? Yeah? Well, maybe you'd have to probably be a bit of a cold fish. Yeah, he seemed unflappably calm. He was normally unflappable. That this certainly was a problem that affected him. Okay, so unflappable. Okay, this comes from the word to flap, or a flap. A flap is something that closes on an envelope. But to be in a flap, to be nervous, yeah, to be worried, an informal phrase, don't get into such a flap. Yeah, he's in a real flap about this. Yeah, so if somebody's unflappable, they never get into a flap, and that's where it comes from. I think unflappable, I would probably give this a 4.5 informality. Definitely use it in an informal conversation. I think you could use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think in a semi-formal writing, yeah, you could just about use it, but it's more on the informal side. Yeah, so unflappable, cool, calm, collected, and doesn't get worked up or worried in a difficult situation. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Unflappable or flappable.